Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's session, we will see how to insert a node at the end of circular linked list. So as we have discussed already, when you want to insert a node into a circular linked list, first we will allocate the memory for that new node. After that, we will read the data for that new node and we will assign that data to the new node. After that, we need to check whether you are adding the first node of your circular linked list. That means first case will be your circular linked list is empty and you want to insert at the end of circular linked list. So first, how to check your circular linked list is empty? You can check it with the help of start pointer. If your start is pointing to null, we can say that your circular linked list is empty and whatever the new node you are trying to add into a circular linked list, that become the first as well as the last node of your circular linked list. So for that reason, the statement start and last equal to new node, it is given. As we are discussing about the circular linked list, we need to keep a link from last node to the first node. So for that, new node next is equal to start, or we can say that last next is equal to start. So this connection is required. So this is the first case when your circular linked list is empty. Now we will check for the second case, your circular linked list is not empty and you want to insert a node at the end of circular linked list. So here the first one circular linked list is given having the four elements, that is 10, 50, 20 and 30. And I want to add a new node 40 into this existing circular linked list. For existing circular linked list, start is pointing to 40 and last is pointing to 30. And we are performing inserting at the end of circular linked list. That means this 40 is added after the last. So first I need to create a connection from last to the new node. That means I need to make the last next as a new node. So that was the first statement. After that, if I add this new node at the end of circular linked list, that this new node become the new last for my circular linked list. So for that statement second is given last equal to new node. So now this last is moved from this location and it is updated with this location. That means currently my last is pointing to 40. Now after updating the last, we need to make a connection from last to the start of your linked list. So for that, the statement last next is equal to start, or we can say that new node next is equal to start. So both statements are fine. So this is a simple way to insert a node at the end of circular linked list. Now we will check the code. So this is a full code for inserting the element at the end of circular linked list. So we are updating the same code for create list as well as display circular linked list. So here I have just added one more choice, that is nothing but insert at the end. After that, your create list function will be the same as well as display function will be remain same. After that, we have just given a function for insert at the end in case of your circular linked list. So as we already discussed, first we will allocate the memory. After that, we will read data for the new node and we will assign the data to the new node. After that, we will checking whether we are adding the first node of your linked list or whether your linked list is not empty and you are adding a node at the last. So now we will just execute the code and check the output. So first I will show you your linked list is empty and you are trying to perform insert at the end. So I will just add a number 11 at the end of my circular linked list. So I will call a display function to show you the output. So now 11 is added at the end of circular linked list. Now I will choose an option again 3. Now my circular linked list is not empty and I want to add a data. So I will call a function that is insert at the end once again. After that I will add a number 44 at the end of my circular linked list. So if I check the output with the help of display function, 44 is added at the end. As well as I am showing here with the help of this start address, last address and last next address that the connection from last node, that is nothing but from CAE0 is made to a CAC0 because last next is CAC0. Hope so it is clear to you how to add the data at the end of circular linked list. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.